This is Team Suboptimals presenting the solutions for the problem statement, breaking financial barriers to ensure equal access to education. And the solution is the platform Siksha Darpan. The aim of this platform is to bridge the gap between educators and their students to provide a personalized infrastructure for their interaction. Siksha Darpan reflects on the fact uh, that there is a lack of quality information amongst the abundance of it. So the aim is to provide personalized interaction, provide personalized notifications amongst the available educators, amongst the available scholarships, particularly the student can avail, which is important because Siksha Darpan places itself as a non-profit NGO that is providing infrastructure to educators and their students. So anybody who is entering on this platform would see a plethora of opportunities in terms of the courses provided by multiple educators across the globe, as well as the scholarship offered by various educators and institutions. I can log in onto this website as a student, as an educator, or as an organization as well. Uh, the student would need to create an account on this website. For the sake of this demonstration, I have already created this account, and when I log in onto it, I'll be provided with a personalized dashboard for interaction with all of the educators that I am currently taking a course of. These are basically blogs or opportunities that will be posted as news on the feed of the student. Uh, Also, we have implemented a chatbot using Gemini API on this named Siksha Chat. Students can use this for various purposes, for scheduling their tasks, for essentially prioritizing their tasks, for helping them manage what courses are they eligible into, for filtering out things. We haven't implemented the back end of it, so currently it's just API calls from this chat. It has a very clean UI, uh, providing clean and clear conversations to the students. Then currently implemented feature is the page of for my progress, where it will be showing uh, how many courses do I have ongoing, how many completed courses do I have. It is a clean, neat UI with scrollable features as of now. So the aim is to bridge the gap that's there between educators and students, providing a personalized interactive platform. The future scope for this includes an interactive dashboard uh, where students can interact with their teachers with a whiteboard